Hello, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best meats for diabetics that you should include in your diet to help lower blood sugar levels. You might have asked yourself, which meats are the best for managing diabetes? When living with diabetes, it's crucial to follow a strict diet that ensures your condition is well managed. While enjoying a variety of foods is essential, not all meats are good or suitable for your health condition. Some types of meat can raise blood sugar levels and negatively impact heart health, an important concern for those with diabetes. That's why it's important to learn about the best meat options for diabetics. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 healthy meats that are beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. These meat options are low in unhealthy fats and packed with the essential nutrients your body needs. This video will help you discover the top 5 meats to include in a diabetic-friendly diet. Let's get started. Here are the top 5 meats for diabetics. 1. Skinless chicken breast. According to nutritional experts, diabetic patients should consume adequate protein daily to meet energy requirements while minimizing carbohydrate intake. Therefore, chicken is one of the best protein sources for diabetics. Unlike darker chicken cuts that are higher in fat, skinless chicken breast provides lean protein that helps you feel full longer and supports heart health. Chicken breast is also rich in phosphorus, which promotes bone health and helps prevent osteoporosis. Diabetic patients benefit greatly from phosphorus as it protects against bone loss and supports gum health, reducing the risk of infections. Additionally, the selenium in chicken breast aids in metabolic function and protects the thyroid gland. Diabetes patients sometimes experience complications like dry, itchy, or cracked skin. Chicken contains riboflavin, which supports skin tissue repair, keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Moreover, studies show that chicken contains amino acids that help alleviate stress, calm the nervous system, and improve symptoms of anxiety and depression often experienced by diabetics. How to prepare skinless chicken breast for diabetics. 2 of the healthiest preparation methods are salads and stews. Chicken salad: boil chicken in a pot of water with minimal seasoning, just a pinch of salt or broth if needed. Once cooked, shred the chicken and add it to your salad for a nutritious and light meal. Grilled chicken with zucchini. Marinate chicken in a mixture of clementine juice, olive oil, and garlic, and then grill it alongside zucchini slices. Zucchini is a low-carb, non-starchy vegetable, making this dish diabetic-friendly. Although this recipe is simple to make, ensure you allow enough time for marination. The longer, the better. By incorporating skinless chicken breast into your diet, you can enjoy a versatile, delicious, and diabetes-friendly protein option. 2. Salmon. For diabetics, monitoring carbohydrate intake is crucial when selecting foods. Salmon is an excellent choice as it is low in carbohydrates while being rich in protein, vitamin B12, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all beneficial for managing diabetes. Both the American Heart Association and the American Diabetes Association recommend incorporating 113 grams, 4 ounces, of salmon into your weekly diet for optimal health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon are not only heart healthy, but also help to lower blood lipid levels, reduce inflammation, improve metabolic function. According to research from the American Diabetes Association, omega-3s also enhance insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels. Additionally, salmon provides a steady source of energy without causing blood sugar spikes, a critical factor for diabetics who need to maintain stable blood sugar throughout the day. How to prepare salmon for diabetics. To maximize its nutritional value, opt for fresh salmon and simple cooking methods like steaming, grilling, baking. Avoid excessive use of oils or seasonings to minimize risks of obesity and blood sugar spikes. Pair salmon with fiber-rich options like green vegetables, e.g. spinach, kale, or broccoli. Whole grains, e.g. quinoa, oatmeal, or lentils. Nuts and seeds. For example, a perfect diabetes-friendly meal could include grilled salmon served alongside steamed broccoli or a fresh green salad with a light vinaigrette. This combination not only tastes delicious but also supports stable blood sugar and overall health. 3. Lean pork. Pork loin, lean ribs. Pork is a nutrient-rich source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals essential for the body. It contains significant amounts of sodium, zinc, potassium, phosphorus, copper, magnesium, and iron, making it a valuable food for diabetics when consumed in moderation. Why lean pork is good for diabetics. Lean cuts like pork loin or lean ribs are excellent choices for managing diabetes because they provide high-quality protein without causing blood sugar spikes. Pork contains 89% protein and includes all 9 essential amino acids necessary for body maintenance and growth, making it ideal for diabetics undergoing treatment. Pork is also rich in selenium, a mineral that boosts and protects thyroid function. Consuming 170 grams, 6 ounces of pork, provides the daily recommended amount of selenium. Tips for preparing pork for diabetics. 1. Trim fat and skin. Before cooking, remove visible fat and skin to keep the dish lean. 2. Choose healthy cooking methods. Opt for grilling, steaming, or boiling instead of frying. 3. Avoid sugary sauces and salty seasonings. Skip sauces with sugar or preservatives. Use natural spices like turmeric, garlic, and ginger to enhance flavor without raising blood sugar levels. 4. Pair with fiber-rich vegetables. Combine pork with vegetables like spinach, carrots, celery, mushrooms, or broccoli to increase fiber intake, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Suggested recipe ideas. Steamed pork with garlic and ginger, a light and flavorful option, perfect for a diabetes-friendly meal. Grilled pork loin with broccoli, a balanced dish combining lean protein and fiber-rich vegetables. Pork and vegetables stir-fry. Use minimal oil and season with natural herbs to create a nutritious and satisfying meal. By incorporating lean pork into your diet thoughtfully, you can enjoy its nutritional benefits while effectively managing your diabetes. 4. Eel. Eel is a nutritious food option for people with diabetes. It contains low carbohydrates, making it effective for controlling blood sugar levels. Additionally, eel provides high-quality protein and healthy fats, which help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Nutritional benefits of eel. Rich in vitamins. 100-gram serving of eel provides 100% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A and vitamin B12, essential for eye health, energy production, immune function, and other vital processes. Vitamin D found in eel supports immune health and strengthens bones. Brain-boosting nutrients. Eel is rich in DHA and lecithin, key components of cell membranes, especially in the brain. Regular consumption of lecithin has been shown to improve memory by 20%, according to U.S. experimental studies. The unsaturated fatty acids in eel benefit brain development, enhance memory and learning, and reduce the risk of dementia. Heart-healthy fats. Eel contains mostly unsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It provides 838 micrograms of omega-3 per 100-gram serving and 1,133 micrograms per fillet, essential for heart and brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cancer, improve blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and help manage diabetes and arthritis. Studies also suggest that omega-3 can enhance mood and alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Diabetes-friendly cooking methods. For diabetics, it's crucial to avoid deep frying or cooking eel with excessive oil. Instead, opt for methods like 1. Steaming. Retains nutrients and minimizes unhealthy fats. 2. Grilling. Brings out natural flavors while keeping the dish light. 3. Braising. Slowly cooked with herbs and spices to preserve nutritional value without adding excess fat. Eel is a versatile, nutrient-dense food that offers numerous health benefits. Incorporating it into a diabetes-friendly diet can help improve overall health, manage blood sugar levels, and support brain and heart health. Poultry. In addition to skinless chicken breast mentioned earlier, other types of poultry such as duck, goose, turkey, and other similar meats are also great options for people with diabetes to consider. Why is poultry beneficial for diabetics? Poultry is an excellent choice, especially for those looking to lower blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy diet. Chicken and turkey provide a lean source of protein that helps regulate blood sugar levels and offers essential nutrients without containing excessive fat. The lean parts of poultry are low in calories and rich in vitamin B6 and niacin, which support energy production and metabolic health. How to prepare poultry for diabetics. The skin should be removed before cooking, as this reduces the amount of saturated fat, which is beneficial for heart health and blood sugar control. Opt for healthy cooking methods such as grilling, steaming, or boiling, and limit frying to avoid unhealthy fats. Duck as a richer option. Duck offers a more robust flavor compared to chicken or turkey. Although it contains more fat, the fats in duck are healthy fats, beneficial for heart health when consumed in moderation. Try recipes like roasted duck or ginger duck, ensuring that the skin is removed to reduce saturated fat intake. Pairing poultry with other protein sources like fish, beans, or nuts can provide a balanced diet that better supports diabetes management. Including plant-based protein sources is particularly beneficial for overall health. These are the 5 best meats for diabetics. If you are living with diabetes, consider incorporating a healthy meal plan today. We hope this information has provided you with the foundation to build a suitable diet for your needs. However, before making any dietary changes, always consult your doctor to ensure these choices are appropriate for your body. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Thank you for watching.